Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of July 4th, or Independence Day in America. And I'm going to be using the CoffeePlannerMom Americana kit. This is an oldie but a goodie, and I absolutely love it. It is so perfect for this week, and I don't know, I really love CoffeePlannerMom's kits, and they're just amazing. So we're going to use this. And then I pulled some washi. This is more like, I don't know, I call this postal service washi because that's really what it looks like to me. But I thought the colors would go nicely together. And then I have this red in case I don't like this one. But I'm pretty sure we're going to be sticking with this one. I'm just not sure yet. So we'll figure that out when I get to it. I do also have this red, white, and blue washi. It says like land of the free, red, white, and blue, freedom, America, liberty, stars and stripes, blah, blah, blah. I don't know if I'm going to use this. If I do, it'll be along the spine of the spread because I don't know how I feel about it. So we'll see if I do actually use this, but we're going to put it to the side so that I don't see it. So let's go ahead and jump into this week's plan with me. If you saw last week's video, that was on the festivals kit by Redhead Stickers, and I will leave it in the cards and in the description if you missed it because it is super cute. Okay, so looking at the colors in this kit, kind of feeling like this would be a good color to put down the spine. And I really hope I don't have to white out all of these lines here, but I have a feeling I will because that's just how things end up happening. Yep, I'm going to have to wipe that out. Now it is for the fun part. We are going to add the date covers. And you guys know that I love, love, love CoffeePlannerMom's date covers. And I think they are just the cutest. So let's go ahead. And I'm not going to use any numbers because I don't have CoffeePlannerMom numbers. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know how I feel about using like items from the same kit. She did come out with date dots, which makes me excited because I have a lot of CoffeePlannerMom kits, and I really like using her kits to, you know, I just like using her kits, but like y'all know I'm weird and I really like using all things from the same kit. So now I will get some date dots so that I can cover up the numbers. But in this spread, we are not going to do that. We're just going to cover it up as normal. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. I need my weekend banner, but I want to use this. And I am hesitant to use this because this washi is old. It sticks together so well, so I have to be very delicate when unraveling this because it sticks. So I'm being very, very, very gentle, and oh goodness, going to line this up right here. And we're going to do the same thing at the bottom of this spread. Oh my gosh, I really think I am at the last little bits of this washi. Good, because I've been trying to use this washi up. I don't like this washi. Alright. Yeah, y'all, I'm at the last dregs of this washi. That makes me so happy. Look at that. We just finished it off and there's not enough room over here. That is okay. We're going to put the weekend banner on before I forget because I do need this weekend banner. It's actually going to go on the weekend. What a surprise. I know. Because I'm actually in this current week only working the 3rd and the 4th because I always know how I am when it comes to stress, and I'm always super stressed after the 4th of July because I work in a theme park, so it's extremely busy all the time. And especially so in 4th of July week. So I always give myself time off. So this time was like approved. It made me really excited, and I am very much looking forward to doing nothing all week long. I'm actually going to go down to see my sister and her husband for her birthday, which is very exciting. And I can actually use the birthday sticker this time because I never get to use it. I'm doing my sidebar right now. Oh, I wanted to use this. We're going to use this one for our sidebar. No, we're going to let go. We're going to put it here. Get a little bit more room. And we want this week. I put this down crooked. There we go. And then this one, let's see which one we should use. I'm kind of leaning toward this guy. Okay. And maybe we should put a quote. This is crooked. This is a crooked sticker, and it is extremely bothering me, and I can't have a crooked sticker. I mean, I can, but it will bother me to no end, and I will end up, like, ripping the entire page, and we don't want that. So I'm going to fix it now. That's still crooked, but it'll be fine. I think I'm going to use, I'll have a glass of Liberty right here, just to add a little fun to that little part of the spread. This is going to go, let's see the other one. Okay, yeah, we're going to do, this is my list of things to do. And I don't want to use the stars on the same page, so never mind. We'll not use this one. But we will use this one because I want to use that checklist on this side. Okay. Kind of thinking, doing a little layering here. So we're going to put this one back. And let's see. Let me like that. I actually kind of think that's okay. Yeah, look at that. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's go over here. And I'm going to do the stars and stripes. You know what? To cover up this, put it right here at the very bottom, even though that is very strange for me. Don't ever do that, but that covers up those that thing there. All right. I think we're going to use up the whole kit if we can. I'm going to try to. This, let's see. I'm going to turn this into another fun little thing. And I think I want to use this one. Because I kind of want to put a quote here. We have freedom lies in being bold. Yankee Doodle Dandy, born to sparkle, flip-flops, fireworks, freedom. I like flip-flops, fireworks, freedom. But not on here. I'm going to put it back. And we're gonna do Yankee Doodle Dandy just because I think that's really funny. Well, maybe we won't. We're gonna do Born to Sparkle. I'm going through all the quotes here. I'm trying to cover up the box here, the list. That's better. And then I do want to use Firecracker because I like how big this word is, and we're actually going to put this at the very bottom down here. Let's add some more boxes. Okay, we're gonna do these. And Yankee Doodle Dandy is gonna go here. I just love that. That's so funny. It just makes me laugh. Okay, time for some actual plans instead of just random stuff getting thrown on there. First things first is our birthday for my sister. Her birthday is, surprise, surprise, July 4th. We're going to put that right here on the very fancy sparkler. You know what? We're going to layer it right on top because I want to. Okay, now we have Payday, which I think, yeah, I'm going to use this one because I want to tie in, no, I'm going to use this because I want to tie in the colors, but I also need to write down the bills that are due. I was going to say my payday's on Tuesday, but because it's 4th of July, it's going to be on Wednesday, most likely. Most likely. I'm not quite sure if it's going to be on Wednesday. We're going to hope so. Then we have our chores list, which is going to be a long one, and I'm thinking of putting it over here. So I'm going to use this box for chores. And I think we are going to move this back up to here. And get rid of this line. And I'm going to use this one and this one. I'm going to have a lot of chores to get done, lots of things to do, and I don't want to forget a single thing. Oh, I need my X-Acto knife. Important. And don't forget. Don't forget we'll be here. And important will be here. I also need a packing list. Even though I'm only going away for a couple days, I still need a packing list. So we're going to use this checklist here. And I need a title. I think I'm going to go with this one. everyone, that is it for this week in my catch-all planner using the Americana kit by CoffeePlannerMom. I absolutely love this. It is so cute. I think that the red washi along the spine and then the America words at the top and bottom of the spread was a very good choice. I'm glad I didn't do it along the spine because that's what I was going to do, and I don't think it would have looked right, but I think this is just enough pop of color that I need, and I think it is so, so cute. And y'all, we used up almost the entire kit. Like, I have one full box, quite a few quarter and half boxes left. Literally just the functional pieces from these kits. So you can use up an entire kit if you want to. Usually I have quite a bit left over, but because I'm really not doing much this week, this entire section, I'm actually not even going to be here. So that's why I like compiled everything together and made it very, very busy, but I love it. I think it turned out like it's the perfect kind of busy and the aesthetic style that I really like. If you guys are interested in getting your own Americana kit or checking out Coffee Planner Mom, don't forget to check out the description box. I will leave all of her information there. And if you guys are wanting to save some money from Coffee Planner Mom's website, check out her Instagram. I will leave that post linked in the description so you can check out the different people on her PR team and save yourself some money using one of their codes. I'm not on her PR, I just really love her stickers, I love her kits, and I love that she designs all of these by hand. Like, she makes all of these herself. Like, it's amazing. It's so awesome. If you want to see how I have used some of the other Coffee Planner Mom kits in my spreads, I think I have quite a few, at least 5 that I can think of off the top of my head, using her spreads. So they are linked throughout the video, and I will put them in the description box as well, so you can check that out if you want to see how I've done the other Coffee Planner Mom kits. Also linked in the description will be my link tree with my PR codes that I am on, and there are links and playlists related to other kinds of crafting content. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. It really does help me out. It lets me know you guys are interested in seeing what I share with you. Let me know what you guys are planning on doing on 4th of July, or if you have any plans at all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, craft on. Bye guys!